I decided to join the Masters of Science in Business Analytics program because I was really ready to level up my career, and I felt like this was going to be the right program for me to be able to do that.
I've always been on business strategy. I've worked in 2 different sectors, heavily relied on intuition to make decisions, heavily relied on experience. But I think once you start using data to gain insights, I think it takes business strategy to a whole new level.
It was that intersection of business and data, and it would allow me to skill up and bridge the gap between a computer science background and a background in business and management.
There's so many things about the program that I found very attractive. The flexibility, the global perspectives that I was going to gain, and of course the course list is what really drew me to the program.
Every course that we have is embedded in some real-world applications. Some will have a little more theory for sure, but we work closely with professors to help them understand what the important real-world skills are.
All the faculty members are absolute rock stars in their field and leaders in the industry.
Best in the world work here, the best in the world teach here. And I've seen that firsthand in class. The problems that they're showing us are real-world problems that they've worked on in their own academic careers, in their consulting careers, helping real businesses, and that's really cemented some of the learning.
I love my classmates. I have already formed friendships that have been so beneficial to me in expanding my thought process, how I approach a problem.
My classmates are also tops of their fields. They're the ones that bring that breadth of experience from not only different industries, as we all come from different backgrounds, but also from different nationalities.
So our class is made up of 11 different countries. I'm from South Africa. I think when you operate with students from different countries, different experiences, it brings a different narrative to what you've been used to.
After every in-person module, I run back home, I get into a conversation with my boss immediately, and I'm like, okay, these are the 10 ideas I have for things that we can do moving forward.
I've asked a lot more questions. I think the program forces you in a really good way to challenge the question of why. And I think, using data to gain insights is a matter of answering that question in an effective way.
As I approach any problem now, I'm also thinking of it more from a data angle. So would there be data to support this, or could I strengthen my argument by bringing in data?
The intersection of business and data analytics is so valuable to storytellers. And I truly believe that all of us in business are storytellers. You need to be able to tell a compelling story that brings people on board, that excites them. And I found that the data excites people. People love numbers. They want to know how the numbers reflect your story or how your story can be bolstered by numbers. And you need the data analytics for that.
Interestingly enough, I know 2 former alumni of this course from South Africa, and I think the trajectory of their careers post this course is not by chance. I think this course has really set them up quite nicely for their future roles, and I think that excites me for what is next.